Hi, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at VDMX's OCR feature and some of the ways in which you might be able to use this for your own projects. So to get started, first I'm going to click on Templates and then I'm going to choose OCR Example. This is a new feature in VDMX 6.1, so if you don't have this option or you don't see this template, please update your software now. Additionally, for this text feature to work for you, you're going to need to make sure that you have Quartz Composer enabled on your computer. To do so, I can click on VDMX, Settings, and Rendering. By default, VDMX comes with Quartz Composer completely disabled. And from here, I can make sure that I have Quartz Composer enabled. So now let's go back to Templates, OCR Example. And in this example, you can see that the text on the left, Input Preview, is showing up on the right. But let's take it a step further. I'm going to eject this text, and I'm going to turn on my FaceTime camera. Hello. So from here, I can hold up something that has text on it. And I can click Scan Text, and there we go. VDMX now has OCR. Let's adjust the center of this just so we can see it a little bit better. Maybe we'll actually disable my camera, and that way you can focus on this input window over here on the left. Okay, so once again, I'm just gonna hold up something else that has text on it. And this example, it's the VIDVOX logo. And if I click Scan Text, there it is. Additionally, you can also scan QR codes. So let's find one. I don't know what this one is, but if I click on Scan QR Code, there it is, video. And if you want this text to show up in this window here, you'll notice whenever I click on the text, where it's going to generate this string, if I have the UI inspector open, or I hit Command 2 to open up the UI inspector, right now it's set up as OCR1 text. So this is OCR1. And whatever text is generated here is going to show up here. So I'm just going to add another one because QR codes come in slightly different. So it's going to be OCR1 and QR. Okay, let's scan this again. And let me change this from sentence to line end. There we go. Hap.video. Another thing we can try and do is I can sync this QR code scanning with the clock. So I'm going to do clock, and I'll do every beat. So now it's syncing with my clock. This will actually only update around 5 frames per second, but you know, for this example, this is a fun way. QR codes. That's one. That's another. That's another. Yep, that's my website. Let's go back. Do I have any more? Let's do this. Cool. I'll stop that just to stop it from scanning multiple QR codes. We're going to disable all data sources. Now if I want, I can do the same thing with text. So let's do clock. We'll do every beat. I'm actually going to open up my clock window because it's going a little faster than I need it to. And I will just slow this down. There we go. Here we go. Here's a new one. It's a sticker. Oh, catcalling is harassment. Isn't that great? This is one of my stickers. Oh, yeah, got that one. This is actually a VDMX sticker. Let's see if it captures that V. Yep, and if I flip it, oh wow, I caught that one quick. Yeah, it should have all this text. If you're lucky, you get some of these VDMX stickers. Let's see what else we got. Neverenoughshow.com. Okay, here's a fun one. Yes, no, maybe. Oh, that's cool. One if you're, labeling stuff. Yep. So you can start having some fun with this. In fact, let me try this. Let's do one of these things. So I just wrote something. Let's see how this fires off. Yeah, so I know that this was a quick tutorial, and this template is available with the latest version of VDMX 6.1 and higher. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, if you do anything cool, tag us in it and let us know what you're doing. We'd love to see it. Thank you.